Hello, Matute Morales here talking. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you one way to fill the background with when you have missing parts in the image. This is happening most of the times when you recrop or rotate the image for a better composition. We can see that we have empty places. I'm gonna make a new empty layer, and in this layer I will pick the patch tool, and with the patch tool I will just select the place that I want to fill. I will click and drag to the new place, and this is mostly all. You only need to be sure, if you are going in this way, that the patch tool have selected the option which says sample all layers. Don't worry about that place, we're gonna fix it in a minute. It's select, click and drag. That's mostly all. I will repeat, and I will repeat in here. Let's pay some attention on something. Here we have some messy, and also here. To make a different thing, I'm gonna make a curve with two pikes, like for example this. It's pretty silly help view, but it will help a lot. In this layer, I will grab the healing brush, and only need to do here is have a sample from, for example, here. Click and drag, and I'm gonna do the same in here. For example, this. I will try to fix this as well. I will take out the help view. Okay, this is what we have now. Before and after of cloning. Okay, I think this is all. Just have in mind to, when you grab the patch tool, have the checkbox checked, and when you do the same thing with the, for example, healing brush or the clone stamp tool, to have current and below layer selected here, and the same in clone stamp tool, current and below, or for spot healing brush, sample all layers. That's all. See you later.